Hello friends, welcome to this Java Selenium tutorial. In this playlist, I'm going to talk about Java, Selenium, IntelliJ, Maven, Git for source controlling, and stage object model, and various other things. But in this journey that I am going to start with you, I am not assuming that you have any knowledge of Java or Selenium. I'm going to start step by step. So even if you are a fresher in this domain, in this area, it is completely fine because we'll go through one by one sessions to see how to scale up our learning in Java Selenium and be confident with the uh, overall approach. So let's start with Java first. So let's go ahead and say download Java. I'm using Windows 11. So the first link, download Java for Windows. You click on it and you get this download Java. Click on it and you will get a exe like this. Now then you can go ahead and use this. So first you will get a Microsoft pop-up. Let's see why it is not coming. So it takes a while. So there are two options: get app from store and install anyway. Remember to install anyway. When you do this, this is going to ask you to do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Say yes, and you can install it. Another thing is you have to go back here and go to Google, download JDK 11, and here you can click on JDK 11, download now for Windows. You can download, and once you do next, you would be able to get the Java on your machine. Now this is not enough. I will delete it. I already have it, so I'll delete it. All you got to do is once you install Java, you have to go to system variables, environment variables, and set a Java home. So just say Java home here, and wherever you installed your JDK. So I have installed my JDK in C program files under Java folder JDK 11.14, as you can see here. Once this has been done, you can say OK, and you can create Java home. In the path variable, you can go ahead and create path variable like this. You can say new, and then you can put in your information there in terms of the bin path. So in our case, the C program file Java JDK 11.0.14 bin, and once you do this, you click on OK and OK, OK, and now run the command prompt Java. It should come like this. I think there is one command called this uh, Java version. Yeah, Java version. I use two dashes, two hyphens, so that's not correct. So it is giving me my version number, which has been set, and once that is there, then you can go ahead and download IntelliJ. I will talk about that in my next session, how to set up the project and how what is POM file and how we go ahead and talk about that. So all we'll discuss that in our next session. So stay tuned and watch these playlists completely to gain a confident knowledge on Java Selenium. All the best. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos so that once I have a new content, you can immediately get the notification for that. All the best in this journey. Thank you so much.